Here's a number that should keep you up at night. For every customer who complains, 26 stay silent. They don't fill out your survey. They don't email support. They just leave. And by the time your churn dashboard turns red, it's too late. The traditional feedback playbook is broken. NPS surveys get a 5% response rate. Star ratings tell you what customers think, never why. Focus groups cost a fortune and surface yesterday's problems. You don't have a feedback problem. You have a feedback intelligence problem. This is where AI agents change everything. Instead of a static form, imagine a conversation. The agent asks open-ended questions in plain language. The customer responds in their own words. The agent listens, acknowledges, follows up naturally. Response rates jump from 5% to 40% because it doesn't feel like homework. And the moment that conversation ends, the agent extracts everything. Sentiment, recurring themes, emotional intensity, churn signals, specific product issues. What used to take a research team 3 weeks now takes 30 seconds. The companies winning today aren't winning because they have better products. They're winning because they hear their customers faster and respond before the competition knows there's a problem. AI feedback agents turn customer voice from a lagging indicator into a leading one. Your customers are talking. Stop guessing what they want. Start asking. Intelligently. Continuously. At scale.